Across the United States, a legacy of energy production looms. Mountains of coal ash, a byproduct of burning coal for electricity, stand as a stark reminder of our reliance on fossil fuels. This ash, laden with toxins, poses a significant environmental threat. Leaching into water sources and polluting the air, coal ash presents a disposal challenge of considerable scale. Yet within this seemingly bleak landscape, a glimmer of hope emerges. Scientists have discovered that coal ash, in a twist of irony, may hold the key to breaking free from our dependence on another finite resource: rare earth elements. These elements, with exotic names like neodymium and dysprosium, are essential ingredients in our modern world. They power everything from smartphones and electric vehicles to wind turbines and advanced weaponry. But their supply is concentrated in the hands of a few, with China holding a dominant grip on the global market. This reliance on a single nation for such critical resources presents a strategic vulnerability, a fact highlighted by recent trade tensions and geopolitical maneuvering. Could coal ash, a material long considered an environmental liability, offer a path toward resource independence? The answer, it seems, is a cautious but optimistic yes. Rare earth elements are misnamed. They are not particularly rare in the Earth's crust. However, they are rarely found in concentrations high enough to be economically viable for extraction. This geological quirk has given China a significant advantage. Over decades, China has invested heavily in the infrastructure and expertise needed to mine and process these elements, securing a dominant position in the global supply chain. This dominance has given China considerable leverage in the international arena. The ability to control the flow of such essential materials, particularly to nations with advanced technological industries, grants a level of geopolitical influence that extends far beyond the realm of simple economics. Recent years have seen China flexing this muscle, using export restrictions on rare earth elements as a bargaining chip in trade disputes. This tactic has sent ripples of concern through the global market, highlighting the fragility of a system overly reliant on a single source for such critical materials. The discovery of rare earth elements in coal ash was not entirely unexpected. Scientists have long known that these elements can be present in coal itself, albeit in minuscule amounts. What was surprising, however, was the sheer scale of the potential resource locked away in these mounds of waste. Studies have revealed that coal ash can contain concentrations of rare earth elements significantly higher than those found in naturally occurring ores. While still relatively low, the sheer volume of coal ash generated by decades of coal-fired power plants represents a staggering potential reserve. Furthermore, extracting rare earth elements from coal ash offers a unique advantage. The material has already been mined and processed. Unlike traditional mining, which requires extensive excavation and often results in significant environmental damage, coal ash is readily available. This means that the environmental footprint of extracting rare earth elements from coal ash could be considerably smaller, potentially turning a waste product into a valuable resource while simultaneously addressing an environmental hazard. Section 4. Turning trash into treasure. The promise of coal ash extraction. The process of extracting rare earth elements from coal ash is complex, requiring sophisticated chemical separation techniques. However, significant strides have been made in recent years, and several promising technologies are emerging. These technologies utilize a variety of approaches, from leaching the elements out with acids, to using specialized resins that selectively bind to the desired metals. While still in the development and early commercialization phases, these innovations hold the potential to unlock the vast reserves of rare earth elements hidden within coal ash. The economic and strategic implications of this breakthrough are significant. The United States, with its vast coal ash deposits, could potentially reduce its reliance on foreign sources for these critical materials. This would not only bolster national security, but also create new industries and jobs in the fields of mining, processing, and manufacturing. Furthermore, the successful development of coal ash extraction technologies could position the United States as a leader in a burgeoning global market, supplying these essential elements to nations seeking to secure their own supply chains. Section 5. Towards a more sustainable future, coal ash and global resource independence. The story of coal ash is a potent reminder that even in the face of environmental challenges, opportunities for innovation and progress often emerge. What was once considered a liability now holds the potential to contribute to a more sustainable future. By extracting rare earth elements from coal ash, we reduce reliance on damaging mining practices and create a secure supply chain. This shift towards resource independence has implications far beyond the economic realm. It represents a step away from geopolitical tensions, creating a more stable and equitable global system.